Can you solve this question? The question is, find the value of x if cos inverse 1 minus a square upon 1 plus a square minus cos inverse 1 minus b square upon 1 plus b square equal to 2 tan inverse x. So let's solve together. The question given is cos inverse 1 minus a square upon 1 plus a square minus cos inverse 1 minus b square upon 1 plus b square equal to 2 tan inverse x. For this, let us assume as a equal to tan alpha and b equal to tan beta. Replace the value of a as tan alpha and value of b as tan beta. Taking first part as cos inverse 1 minus a square upon 1 plus a square. Cos inverse 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. Because we know that cos 2 alpha equal to 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. This is the formula for cos 2 alpha. Therefore, we can write as cos inverse same, and in place of 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha, we can write as cos 2 alpha. After solving, we get as 2 alpha. Similarly, for second term, cos inverse 1 minus b square upon 1 plus b square equal to cos inverse same, and in place of b I have put as tan beta. Therefore, I can write as 1 minus b square equal to 1 minus tan square beta and 1 plus b square as 1 plus tan square beta. And similarly, we can use the formula of cos 2 beta equal to 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta, and this can be written as 2 beta. Now combining the two terms as 2 alpha minus 2 beta equal to 2 tan inverse x. Taking 2 as common, we can write it as 2 under the bracket alpha minus beta equal to 2 tan inverse x. 2 will be cancelled out. We can write it as alpha minus beta equal to tan inverse x. We can write it as x equal to tan alpha minus beta. Here we will use the formula as tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. This formula will be used here. Therefore, I can write it as x equal to tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. In place of tan alpha, I will use as a. In place of tan beta, I will use as b. Therefore, we can write it as x equal to a minus b upon 1 plus ab. That is the answer.